everybody. Thank you for joining us, Galata Cinema, as we celebrate 2 years of writing and publishing. There's going to be a lot of Thanksgiving today, but let me start at the very outset to thank every one of you, our readers, our Galata Cinema team members for their enthusiasm, and the film fraternity for their support. Today we launch our second anniversary golden issue, and if we've come this far, it's because of you. So thanks a lot. It's not been a joyride, but it's been a joyful one, and we thank every one of you for your help. I now call upon our editor, Shakti, to say a few words and welcome our guests of honor and everyone else present.
Good afternoon, one and all. On April 14th, and Galata Cinema steps into its third year. We think of it as one of those thrilling train rides that we take across this region. At times tough, like those blazing countrysides on hot days. At times soothing and peaceful, like the cool greenery of paddy fields, just to give you a feel, again, like I said, off the region. Floating by, filled with fun, sometimes, like when we pass little towns and those kids wave at us and we wave back. Now that little attempt at poetry was only to show you that our journey too has been filled with ups and downs, great times and stressful moments. Through all of this, what has made us stand strong and make our name is the support of the film industry, our clients and business partners, our loyal, ardent readers, and our friends, online and offline. With the appreciation and respect for our work, with your perception and belief in our excellence, and with your love for our movie content, thanks to you all, today we are known as an accessible, exciting, respectable, ethical, and dignified media company to over 30 lakh readers and users, both online and offline. We gathered here today for the launch of Galata Cinema's anniversary special issue, marking 2 superb years in the print media business and just stepping into our third. We call our issue Pure Gold, just as we call the people who have made it possible for us to get this far too, Pure Gold. I begin with a lovely, charming, and elegant young lady who graces our cover. Sneha, who's as multifaceted as she's simple, as gracious as she is beautiful. She's someone who has bridged the gap between great performances and commercial cinema and is perfect to kickstart our next year. Welcome, dear Sneha. To make her urbane and sophisticated look come true, I must welcome at this point, he's not here with us today, but in spirit he is, G. Venkatram, one of the industry's finest photographers. We're spoiled by him because as close as he gets to being a photography genius, he's also an honest critic, a good friend, and a wall of support. He has made our covers and cover features look ravishing. Thank you, Venkat, and welcome in our minds and hearts. There is one more super special something about Galata Cinema's anniversary issue. A fabulous array of exclusive posters of Asal, Ultimate star Ajit Kumar's new movie launched just a few hours ago amidst much fanfare and glory. This too is pure gold, I must say, in so many ways more than one. When we had the opportunity to include such an exciting property, we were so thrilled and we couldn't help but jump. And the visuals only got us more excited. You're going to love it. It's been a pleasure working with the people behind Asal. Mr. Ram Kumar of Sivaji Productions, who's a stalwart in the movie business, not just for the number of years Sivaji Productions has been around, or the name of their great father, but also because they maintain staunchly values of tradition, respect, and dignity so rarely seen these days. Mr. Ram Kumar, your constant support from even before Chandramukhi and everything after that is a source of strength for us. Thank you, we welcome you. Our Asal issue would not have been possible without you. Mr. Ajit Kumar, he's the epitome of class, urbanity, and courtesy. He supports causes and establishments that he truly believes in, and he's an admirable man as well as being an ultimate star. Ajit, you are with us in spirit right now. We are proud of Vivek Karnakaran and Vikram Mohan, who've been buddies that we've shared a few laughs and drinks with, but today their entry into the movie industry, it just makes us so happy, especially with this firecracker movie. Way to go, guys. Landmark, our hosts for this event, have been greatly supportive of Galata Cinema, and thanks to them, we're available all over India. Incidentally, our highest collections from a single brand store have always been at Landmark. Thank you for supporting us and hosting the event with us, and welcome to this event. I now invite Ms. Neha to unveil the very first copy of Galata Cinema's Pure Gold Anniversary issue, where she graces the cover, and hand it to Mr. Ram Kumar of Sivaji Productions. Sneha, could you also speak a few words after this? Thank you.